Here we're going to demonstrate how to place equipment symbols on a floor plan. First, we're going to get to our floor plan viewer, which is where we are here. And on the left-hand side, we've got our various menu choices. And down at the very bottom left, we have our equipment symbol. We click on that, it puts us into equipment mode. And there's a message at the top here. It says, click on an equipment symbol to view details about it. We don't have any symbols on the drawing yet, so we're going to do that. And come over here to our equipment symbol library, and we're going to place a fire extinguisher, and I'm going to click on that category. We have an option here to place symbol. I'm going to click on that, and I will zoom in to where I'm going to place this fire extinguisher, and I'm just going to click once, and it is now placed. And I will click once more, and it'll bring up some details on the right side. We can specify who's the manufacturer. If I can bring up our list, and we'll say that's a Amerex, and it says here the category is fire extinguisher, but you can see the type has not been filled in. The category comes in automatically with the symbol, but there's various different types of fire extinguishers. In this case, we'll say this is an ADC, and I'm just going to click Save to capture those details. If there's more information, we can come up to the full edit forms, because when we place this symbol, it created an equipment record in the database automatically. And that equipment code, the unique identifier, is generated by the system. But if you want a more friendly identifier, we have this caption field. And we can just say this is F146, fire extinguisher 146. And I happen to have some cut and paste here for the details about this particular fire extinguisher, the last time it was tested, and so forth. And we can see here it's automatically indicating that it's in this room number here. But if I wanted to put in some additional details here, I could say it's at the top of the ramp. Now, if we can even go further, and we can bring in an image of it. So if we come up here to our Documents tab, this is optional. We can come in here, and I can upload an image. And we've got an image right here. And that brings in a picture of our fire extinguisher. Now, this could be a generic photo. There's an option on the other side here for an actual photo of the actual piece of equipment. So you can have the option of having a sort of a stock photo or the actual photo of the item. And we'll just back up here. I'm going to refresh my screen. And we'll see there's that object there. And I'm just going to hit Save. And that's how we do it.